It's a colourless, odourless, tasteless liquid that it tastes the same no matter what brand you get. And they get very offended in restaurants when the waiter comes over. Can we get you a drink? Can I get you a drink? Oh yes, can we just have water, please? Just still water. We're fine with just still water. Sometimes the waiter goes, tap. It's a horrible moment. It's like he's just said, puddle. I can scoop some from the pavement. It rained earlier.
Now, I know it may be funny that we all have our little preferences on which brands we prefer, but for millions of people around the world, it's not a brand or a lifestyle choice, it's a daily struggle. That's why I'm supporting Team Water, a global campaign aiming to bring safe and clean water to millions of people for decades. And if you want to find out more or see how you can help, go to teamwater.org.